Hello, today we have another work to do here. This is an ASUS motherboard. This is VivoBook. Okay, the motherboard came in here with problem of not powering on, and I found this is a battery connector. Was already disconnected by someone else before coming to my workshop, so I have to replace this one, but still the motherboard does not turn on. Let's go and check on the multimeter what the readings we have here. We have a DC jack over here, and I have this line coming from here, from DC jack up to here. This is the one line, and we have the first MOSFET, we have the second MOSFET, and we have the current resistor over here. Let me zoom in here. There you can see it. We have the first MOSFET, the second MOSFET, and the current sense resistor. Let's go and check short on the main power rail. Let's check these two MOSFET over here. No short. I have no short. Okay, how about check the gate? We have no short there. No short. Second MOSFET. Checking gate here. No short. And we have no short on these two MOSFET. Put the red wire, the red probe on the ground, and we are going to check on the current sense resistor to check the main fault, which is the 19. We have here, and we have short. We have short to ground. What I'm going to do, I'm going to inject the voltage there using my power supply over here. And the power supply has been set to 1 volt by 4 amps. Okay, I have 2 wires. I have the black one, which is ground. Okay, use here as a ground here. This is the black. Also, we have this red wire. Let me solder over here on this current sense resistor. Okay, let me turn on power supply. Okay, the motherboard is taking 2.7 amps by 1 volt out of 4 amps, so there is a component on the motherboard is getting too much hot. Let me go straight to, I want to narrow the problems we have to check on the where the 19 volt is going. From the motherboard, you can see here we have these power rails here. These are the power MOSFET, and most likely they are receiving 19 volt. Some of the other models it is 13 volts, 12 volt, and we have another power supply here for 3 volt and 5 volt rail. We have to check on this MOSFET plus 2 capacitor here, and the other one here for the battery. I have these almost 3 rails, and this one which is powering the CPU. Okay, let me remove one gloves here so I can check the heat by using my hands. I wanna figure out what is getting hot. Yes, I can feel it from here. I can feel it from there. Okay, let me use atomizer here so I can pinpoint directly what is getting hot. This is my atomizer. I use this as a razor. Okay, I have some pieces came out of the box. You can see there it shows a pink light. It shows that the battery of atomizer is very low, but I can use it. I'll have to charge it after this. You can see there it has been melting. Let me turn off power supply. Okay, can zoom in. Zoom in from there, you can see it. 1 2 3, turn on power supply. You can see there we have this capacitor here. This cap here is not good. The rosin there has been melting. Let me increase voltage there so you can see it. We put 3 volts by 4 amps. You can see there. See? Maybe I can add another rosin there. And again, let me zoom in. 1 2 3, turn on power supply. Volt on 3 and amps by 4. 1 2 3. You can see there. That is our problem. That is how you can diagnose this motherboard using power supply. And the power supply I'm using is switching linear power supply. Okay, going to remove these two connectors here. Rosin is also a flux. This is also fluxing. So no problem of adding another flux here. And the cap is out. Let's confirm this capacitor if it is short. Okay, zoom out there, you can see the alternator. And you can see that we have short on this cap. The cap is short. Okay, let's go back on the motherboard and put a red probe on the ground and the other one. And the current sensing resistor here, and you can see there we have no short again. No short. Okay. Okay. Can zoom in there. Let's prepare the pads again. There's an Amtech flux here, 559. Let's clean it. Okay, let's go over here on this battery connector here. So from here, have to prepare these 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 missing parts, but I think one is no connect, no problem. So I have to replace these 3 pads over there. Okay, I'm going to use a microscope to record this part of replacing the battery connector. Okay, let's check for continuity on these pins over here to confirm if they are connected. Clean the flags. Enter in continuity mode. From this point to this area, this one is connected. I have another pin to this resistor here. This one is not connected. How about the other one here? It is connected. It is connected. This one. This one is not connected. Okay, let's go back and retouch again there with solder. Okay, let's check again if it is connected. And now it's connected. This one is connected too. This one is connected. This is a plus. This is ground. This is ground. And the other one here is plus. It's connected to these two cup over here. We are all good there. Okay, let's go and assemble the motherboard and test from the screen. Let me replace this lock over here for the battery. This is a lock. Okay. Okay, we have power supply connected. We have light on the power button. Let's see if I have picture. This is 10th generation. It will take time. And yes, we have picture. We have picture, as you can see there. Everything is fixed. Okay, thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe my channel for more videos.